Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add judge.me reviews on Shopify store. Firstly, from the Shopify store where you want to sync reviews from, go to judgeme.admin and then click settings, then import reviews. Select import from another store and choose sync reviews with another active Shopify store. Click create a new group and copy the token that appears. You'll use this to connect the other stores later. Now you've created a store group that will share reviews with you and other Shopify stores. From the second store, you want to sync the reviews to. Log out to your first store or open the second store in a new browser. Go to your JudgeMe admin, then go to settings and then import reviews. Click import from another store again and choose sync reviews with another active Shopify store. Under or join an existing group, pass the token you copied earlier, then click copy or join group. Once the stores are connected, you'll see all your connected stores under stores in this group and the syncing process will start automatically. The time it takes depends on the number of products and reviews in your store. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.